Hello, so here I am. I've made 36 large rings and 36 little rings, so that's my 36th little ring, and I'll show you how to close the first round. So we're going to do 2 Victorian sets from the last small flower. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to join, making sure there's no twist at all in your work. We're going to join to the very first picot we left at the beginning. Like this. And then make 2 more Victorian sets. I'm going to fold the work out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we're going to join at the paper clip or your stitch holder. Like this. To make sure again nothing's twisted. Yep, looking at the front. So there's the join we've just made here at the paper clip, and now we're just going to do the last bit of chain and join at the base of the very first ring we made. If you wanted to, you could put a magic loop in your last Victorian sets and use that to hide your ends, but I'm just going to do it with the regular method and sew them into the first ring. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. So that's our very last Victorian sets for this round. I'm going to cut the ball thread because we're going to start afresh on the next round. And make sure, again, as you can see, this one is twisted. It's facing the right way. You want to make sure it's looking at the right side of the ring. And I'm going to make actually my join from the back. So I'm going to turn it to the other side. And now I'm looking at the back of the ring, and I'm just going to push my hook at the base of the first large ring and hook the thread that we've just cut. And I can cut the shuttle thread as well and make a square knot. Left over right, right over left. And then I'm going to use a needle and hide the ends into either side of that first ring. Otherwise, if you think about it right at the beginning, my first ring looks a little bit larger than my others. If you think about it right at the beginning, you would put a magic loop in the first ring, sort of at the end of your first large ring, and then into your last chain as well, and you could use the magic loops to pull your thread ends. So that's it. That's the first round completed. I hope it went well. I'm going to show you how to get started on the second round.